So guys, before we start our video, let's quickly check what is contract address. The contract address, which is popularly called the CA, is usually given when a contract is deployed to the Ethereum blockchain. The address comes from the creator address and the number of transactions sent from that address. And what is the use of the contract address? The receiving contract address verify and sign the transaction before the coin is sent to the desired wallet. It is for the reason that sending Ether from a multi-sign wallet require more gas comparative to sending Ether from a wallet that require one signature. So I'll explain what those mean now. So guys, this contract address is a unique domain which in it two token cannot share one address for one token. That is the main reason for contract address. It's just like account number. You having your own personal account number, another person hasn't his or her own personal account. The differences in the bank serve as the differences in the blockchain. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Marble Fun World. So in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you can get a contract address of a token. I'll be using two ways. So let's start. You go to your Chrome. If you are using SafeMoon, if you want to search for a contract address of SafeMoon, okay, search icon, SafeMoon, SafeMoon, contract address. Yeah. See, it will take you to bscscan.com. So you click on this. This is the contract address of SafeMoon. So guys, you will copy the contract address. You copy it. That's already been copied. Then go to your Trustwallet settings. Then you paste the contract address here. And you see now SafeMoon. So you've already added SafeMoon to your part of your coin. See, part of your token. See, it's already there. SafeMoon. So guys, the second way is you guys using poocoin. Yeah, poocoin to get your contract address. poocoin.app. Okay, you have to change this from Ethereum to Smart Chain because the token we are looking for is under BSC. Yes. Okay, guys. See, I already connect my wallet with my poocoin. So if I want to search for the contract address of SafeMoon. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. This is the contract address for SafeMoon. The first one is SafeMoon. So you click on it. You can't get the contract address straight from here. So you have to press this BSC symbol. So you see, two ways, different, the same road. You're going to the same thing. So you see the same contract address. So you can get your contract address from your core, or you come to your poocoin to get your contract address. But at times, if you paste contract address, it won't show. So just click here. You have to paste the contract address. Yeah. So you have to add custom token. As you can see, it's in Ethereum. You have to change it to Smart Chain because it's a BSC. You paste it. Can you see now? I'm just using this as an example. Then you are done. If you want to add your custom token, you go to your Chrome or poocoin to copy the contract address and then you paste it here. So if you want to, that's how you do it if you want to do it. So it's very, very simple, guys. So guys, that is all. I hope you learned from this little video of mine. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that whenever I drop a video on cryptocurrency, you will be notified. Let me know in the comment section on what you want me to talk about. Guys, this is the basic of crypto, so start learning now. This is the end of 2021. By 2022 you should also be an investor. Okay guys, that's all.